Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Just playing around today. The easiest way to put a shadow or a different color around a font in any font is to take your font. I'm going to hit the plus key and I'm going to nudge it out of the way. I'm going to take this and I'm going to hit the F12 key, which is going to get you your width of your line, which has none right now. I always used to, left click, right click, and then contour it. And I would still maybe weld this in the real one, but it shouldn't really matter. But anyway, let's go back and just leave it like it is. And let's take the F12, open up your pen dialog, and let's change this to something like 50. And if you don't have a 50, you can just type 50. And look what it did. It enlarged the outline to 50. Now let's make the outline yellow. Not only the fill, but the outline itself. Now we can take our font and just move it right back. And you could make it 60 or whatever. I think 50 would look pretty good. And you don't have to go with yellow. You can go with, and I did it again. I didn't have my, I'm not recording the whole thing, but I'm just getting my color palette. I mean, you could do any color. Of course, you got to remember that dark colors just don't look good against a black background. And you can make the font itself whatever color you want. And then what's really kind of cool about this is because it's that, we can actually take a rectangle tool, take the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to use like a green. I'm using somebody else's file. And then I'm going to nudge that down. And I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to go to Object and break the curve apart because I just want the letters. And now I can make this font or pop it up, and now I have an outline around the yellow. You can't really see it. Let's go. You know why? It's the same. So what I got to do, I apologize, is take the yellow, and you can see we got yellow, and go up to Object, invert it to an outline. And then when you fill it in, it'll conform to that shape. I'm actually going to have to get it away. And then left click, right click, Object, break curve apart, grab your font, and see now you have an outline around the yellow to kind of make it stand out. And then you could still make it, whatever thickness you want. And if I was going to do that, I would quite possibly want the center to have an outline too. So all you have to do there is just take your Smart Fill tool and left click, right click, and then change that to something thicker. Well, we're getting a point. So let's go to Object and turn the outline to a object. And then you can go to 3 points or whatever size and do the same thing there. So Smart Fill tool, you can see it. Okay, I'm using somebody's file. Normally that's not there because normally I'm going to have no outline. That's what the problem was. So see, now I just got a green box, but I can left click, fill, and then right click outline, and then change the outline to something other than a hairline. I think we use 3 points. That looks pretty good. And then if you kind of wanted to, you could see what it would look like on let's say a light blue shirt. Go and go to Object, Order, back a page, and then put this up here. And that's what it would look like printed on a blue shirt. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.